pornography. No, I wasn't getting caught by this. I wasn't caught.
Myself?
Boom, boom. สวัสดีครับทุกคน this is ติติพงศ์นะครับโอเควันแรกกด today วันนี้นะครับ I have two beautiful girl queen นะครับสวยมากจริงๆเลย now if you ride bike or if you are a mother or basically if you are in events lah event don't laugh introduction yeah so if you love bikes if you are a mother and basically if you're always on social media for sure somehow or rather you will definitely know these beautiful girls. Alright? So with that I don't want to waste any time and let's introduce these two beautiful girls. Eva and Jane Naka. Hello, what's up? Okay, I'm gonna make myself comfortable. Pong. What's up everyone? How are y'all? Eva, Jane, how's everything so far so good?
Good.
Pretty good, man.
So you say pretty good. You also good. Many people say 2020 no quote, no quote, right? Of course now we're in 2021, but it's still very start of this 2021. How was your 2020?
Very good for me.
Maybe Jane?
Yeah, 2020 was.
Okay.
Wow. I was about to do this.
Yeah, so 2020, how was it for
I was
you?
about to say like 2020 was great because like 2019 December I gave birth to my son, so I was about to say that, then it's like you did that haunting like I want to give birth again, but I didn't. So
But that one is a chocolate birth already.
Ew. Okay, anyway.
Okay.
So 2019 December I gave birth to my son, and then
Oh, congrats.
yes, thank you very much. But yeah, like it's been a year-ish already. So it was wonderful because I had just given birth to my son, and then a month later, we had Wicked Wallop. I was already back into events a month later, and it was just great lah. Everyone was like, "What are you doing there? How are you back here doing events like a month later?" I'm like, "Yeah, thank you." So I really felt great lah. Like yes, I'm back in shape already. Like a month later.
So fast, huh?
I mean, good genetics or what. I mean, thank God, really. Like it was a smooth pregnancy, a smooth delivery. Everything was great.
That's important.
Yeah, and then like I said, it was wonderful because I worked the event, and then shortly after that we were hit by COVID. So that was like a nice bang lah. For the year somewhat for my events and all that. And then it didn't stop there. So I thought like, oh no, COVID happened. We're all screwed.
All screwed.
Yeah, we're all screwed because a lot of people around me were screwed. Right?
Yeah, very screwed.
Yeah, thankfully, like for me, no, like things started picking up. Things were great, because I do like influencing, content creating, social media. I don't really like the word lah, but that's what I do. People pay me to post about stuff and promote things. So it was really great. People were reaching out to me even more because people had to start going online to sell and market their businesses. So I think for the social media influencers, it started booming. I was doing a lot of things. I was promoting food, promoting like beauty products, mother, baby stuff, clothing. It was great for me. I was so busy, and it was perfect also because we were on lockdown, right? People don't do events anymore.
Yeah.
A lot of people were complaining, oh no, it's so bad. But for me, I was like, yes, I can stay home and look after my kids and still work from home. It was really...
You still earn money, that's the best part.
Exactly. So things were just great for me in 2020. But, I did have a lot of people around me who were suffering lah. So, yeah.
Yeah. True.
Yeah, bittersweet.
Eva?
Well, my 2020, as you all know, all the clubs were closed. Well, in the night scene, a lot of DJs, bouncers, security guards, yeah, man, lost their jobs. And some of the clubs were closed or already are closed. So my DJ manager was saying like, hey, you know what? Why don't you take your DJing to live stream and earn some money? I'm like, I'm not gonna do that shit. I'm not gonna fucking talk to my phone. You talk to your phone. I'm not gonna talk to my phone, okay? Then he was like, just try. So I tried, and in case you all wanna know, the platform is called Bigo app.
Bigo Live.
Yeah.
Bigo Live.
So it's not new, okay, guys. This app has been around for like 4 or 5 years, but just for COVID, I tried to earn some coins, and you know what? 2020, right, has been one of the best years of my life financially. Yeah, financially. I know. All of you are like, what the fuck, financially. So yeah, a weird opportunity, but yeah, I managed somehow lah to not master live streaming, but sort of be very thick-skinned, talking to myself and performing with my phone.
Yeah, because you cannot
Yeah.
get reaction, right?
There's no reactions.
And I think if someone's phone lagging already, maybe you're at topic 2, they go, like let's say you're talking about food, but maybe topic 2 you talk about sex or something.
I
And then
always talk
people
about
go,
sex.
"Eh, so where is the
Sex
food
sells."
place? Oh,
Yeah,
you're
sex
always
sells.
talking about sex.
I'm always, if I'm not DJing, I'm always talking about sex, like all the time. You know what I'm saying?
สุดยอดเลยเวลาโคตร
Yes.
เวลาโคตรไอชอบมากเลย Oh,
Yeah.
okay, so 2020 you went into Bigo
Live
Live.
streaming.
Live streaming, and it's good. You kind of like it now. And are
Yeah.
you still doing it now in 2021?
Yeah, I'm still doing it. I'm gonna pursue it until all the clubs are open, and I can sort of go back to my old routine lah. More of, you know,
Oh, the one.
it'll take a lot of,
Yeah.
it'll take some time.
I think it's a bit tough. It's supposed
is
to go
tough.
through the what's the term called? The government wanted to have
Phase
some
3
test run
pilot.
for clubs. Pilot, but
Yeah,
it didn't happen. They
happen.
said because
It didn't
there's
happen.
increase of COVID-19
Yeah,
community
cases,
case and
right?
or
Yeah.
shit like that, right? And then, so I believe maybe can drag until September.
Yeah.
Another hope.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Another few bulan.
It doesn't matter. I'll still be streaming. I'll still be at 219, like designing cars and bikes. Shout out 219. And then I am doing small bits and pieces of social media work. Not as much as Jane, of course, but a bit here and there. A bit of sponsorships here and there.
Nice.
And I'm gonna concentrate on my TikTok.
Oh, you're gonna do.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, all the.
So,
Yeah.
so you're going to start TikTok.
I have a TikTok account. It's just that I want to like push it to the limit.
Okay.
Cause TikTok is the new platform. It's the way to go. It's the new black. Trust me on this, okay? Of course, there's Instagram, but TikTok is the way to go
the
for
way to go.
2021.
Cool.
man.
So what about 2021? I mean, is the way to go? Say for you, you're pushing on TikTok now. Any one of you going to pick up new stuff? Like learn something, learn new sets of skills, or apa-apa lah, you know, that you're going to learn or you're going to get into, like say, alamak, I never thought I would want to do this. I never thought that I want to learn this. Is that something you're going to go into for 2021?
I want to revisit pole dancing. I used to do pole dancing. I want to
Oh.
go back into it this year. Like
Yeah,
finally,
you should.
Yeah,
Definitely.
something for myself. Like, I mean, you know, after having given birth to 2 kids, I need to
Yeah.
go and do something for myself. And yeah, I've got to add. So at the end of 2020, I actually made myself even more busier than I already am. I do not know why I do that, but to myself. But yes, so I launched a waist trainer brand. Not that waist, not poop waist, but waist trainer line. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. There you go. There you
Yeah,
go.
so I did a soft launch for that lah. So I'm hoping in 2021 to get more into it, you know, yeah, more diligent with putting out new designs, new content on social media for the brand as well. And I also work part-time at a tattoo studio now, like my tattoo artist studio. I handle her shop, her appointments and everything. So
Okay.
I'm super busy doing all of that, my social media work and being a mom. Yeah, and
Tattoo shop?
yep. And then I want to
Waist.
take up pole dancing along with all of this.
Alright.
But it's something not new to you.
It's not
You used to,
new
but you
lah.
stopped for quite a while.
I stopped for a while
Like
because
how a while?
let's see, maybe about 3-4 years because I got pregnant and all that also. Yeah, I got pregnant
Pregnant
back
for
to back.
4 years?
No lah.
And then?
I stopped for a while, like 2016 I stopped mah.
Oh, you stopped, then after that you got pregnant, you got to stop again. Oh. I thought, I mean, I can't get pregnant, but I was like, pregnant 3 to 4 years?
No lah, because you see, you get pregnant, right? Then you can't do much, like you can't
Yeah.
really do until like that. Then you gotta give birth, you still gotta rest a bit. Then I only had a 9-month rest, And I was like, all right, I'm ready, man. I'm gonna get back to fitness. I'm gonna do this and that. Then I got pregnant again.
Oh,
Yeah, my husband works very hard lah. So
เนียนเนียน in Thai we say เนียนมากเลยนับสู้ tinggi sangat kan นับสู้ นับสู้ too high
yeah.
okay
So now I think I'm gonna be taking a break from getting pregnant, having more babies. So I want to focus on like
Pum,
myself.
pum, pum. You say like so easy to have baby, man.
Okay, I'm quite blessed. Like
Oh, that's good. That's good.
pregnancies
It's a
were
good
quite
thing.
smooth.
It's a blessing to have a baby. I'm very sure.
Yeah,
So maybe one day I can follow you to do pole dancing.
that would be
Oh my
wonderful.
God.
I would
Right?
love that.
That would be cool. But I don't know if my hand wrap the pole or my stomach wrap the pole.
Everything,
Oh my
anything can wrap. Go and wrap.
Yeah, we should totally do it.
Yeah, we
I
should try
tried,
it.
I died.
Oh, is it?
I went for a trial,
Yeah,
I died.
when I was
Couldn't.
like managing this pole dance studio back then, she came for a trial session and then
I cannot.
she after she did like I think was it 45 minutes or half an hour, then she sat at one side. She was like, I don't know how you do it lah. I don't.
Yeah, I gave up. I was like,
It was so
whatever,
tiring.
Whatever.
It's
Yeah.
tiring lah.
It's damn
I'm
bad.
lucky that I took to it quite well because before that I already have like gym background. I already lift weights lah.
Yeah,
So
so
yeah,
it's, you have the stamina
I can't.
yeah.
and the strength. Okay, so
exactly.
pole dancing will be something
I-
not very new, but it's new after 3 to 4 years.
Yes, I hope.
Yeah.
I hope I can
Okay.
go back into it. I love it. Yeah.
Eva, what about 2021 apart from pushing TikTok Yao and apa lagi? Just now what you say?
Live stream.
Lifestyle
designing.
Laming and 219 Motor Shop. Alright, and any new things you want to get into or you
Yeah.
actually going to get into that you never thought you're going to get into?
Two things. So I am.
2 อย่างครับ
There's a secret project coming up. So I'll be collaborating with an ID company.
ID as an interior
yes,
design.
interior design. They do a bit of renovation. So I'm gonna collaborate with them. And then we're gonna do something. I can't mention what yet, but it'll be on my socials. So watch out for that.
What's
And
there to
then-
hide for ID?
I also don't know. It's a bit complicated, so I can't really say it out yet. And I don't want to jinx it, right? and the
yeah.
second thing is I've been drumming for those of you who don't know. I'm a drummer, self-taught drummer for 15 over years.
The Angmo drum or the tung 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 cha rung tung cha rung tung. Oh, okay, Angmo drum.
The Angmo
Not the
one.
Tuju Loko lah. Okay, because I like Tuju Loko. Okay, so
The
Angmo drum
real
you've been playing
acoustic.
for 15 years.
15 or more actually. About 15 years or
Oh.
more.
How you
16.
play with that fingernail? You see the fingernail, everyone. Take a look at the fingernail.
15 years ago, I don't have this fingernail.
Ah, 15 years later you have the fingernail.
I don't have burn now.
15 years ago don't have. 15 years later you have.
Yeah, man.
So is you going to go back playing drums again? You miss playing, is it?
No, I've been in a band for 15 over years. It's an all-girl band, all-girl metal band. Yes, I know. All of you are like, huh? Yeah,
But that's so cool.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
really
15
cool.
years already. So we've been on and off because like the girls got married.
Pregnant 3 to 4 years?
You funny.
ขอโทษครับ sorry เลย Okay, okay.
But a lot of bandmates in and out lah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's quite normal.
If you don't know what's in and out, go to Google and you just type that lingo, you'll know what it means to everyone who
Nut
don't know.
burger.
Eh?
Yeah, only me and my guitarist are the original members lah from way
okay.
back. So we're gonna not say reform the band, but more of like be more active. Find one more member, be more active, and then once COVID is over, we can start traveling. Maybe play around Malaysia or something. Because people, yeah, man, people are inviting us. Why not?
Okay, so
We
drum
have performed overseas, but it's just that over the years we kind of
for
stopped.
your DJ or your
My band and
oh, you're actually
DJ
do
also, yeah.
fly before already. You're flew before.
Yeah, that was years back.
Oh, okay. So that means drumming will be something that you're gonna get
Relive.
into it again.
Yeah.
Relive that
Yeah.
15 years ago, the dream, right? Or not the dream, or what you did 15 years ago, and your very secretive new project.
Yes.
That is what you're gonna get into.
Yes,
So
of course.
since 2020 for both of you was amazing. Jane was super busy ใช่ไหมตั้งเยอะแยะแล้ว right ดูๆbanyak banyak tak boleh habis kan. So for Jane is perfect, you know, busy. And since you're that busy, any overflowing to this year for you?
Yeah, being a mom, like, you know, making sure I don't miss out on the kids growth and development. Like I just enrolled my older kid into school. You know, just because I have separation anxiety, like I can't be away from my kids also for that long. So she's just going for like a 2-hour school. So it's like just 2 to 4 p.m. You know, just okay, go play, have fun, and then after that, mommy will be there waiting for you because I miss you so much, right? The crazy mom. Yeah. And then my younger boy, he has just turned like 1, so yeah, he needs me there for him a lot more. So yeah, basically being a mom, being there for them more, and I'm a very hands-on mom. And at the same time, so I'm also very busy. So I love to bring them out with me for events if I can. You know, back then when I only had 1 kid, she followed me everywhere for like photo shoots, events, everything.
Toilet.
Like, yes, toilet.
Oh, thing lah.
Really?
Really?
Like, of course lah. You're not where I leave her outside lah.
But if you choke cake that time,
I don't poop in public what. Is that what you're talking about? Like, do I?
even at home, she follow you into the
Oh
toilet.
no lah. At home is fine. At home is safe zone. It's fine. But
It means you're pooping and then your girl just
no, this I know friends who do that lah. But like no, it's okay. She can play with her toys outside and just wait for me to come out.
Then it's still okay.
Yeah, so that's what I'm busy with, like yeah, being a mom, my social media work, my own line, then also the tattoo studio, and hoping to get back, you know, on track with my fitness regime and all that. So
These
yeah.
are all your backlog.
yeah, oh, and trying to meet up with friends because my phone always bombing. Everyone's like, hey, you haven't meet up with me lah. And I was like, oh crap, like I forgot, like I need to maintain friendships as well, right? Like relationships with friends and all that. Yeah, so Eva's been very understanding. We are so crazy close, but you know, thankfully we can message here and there. And at the end of the day, I know she always understands how busy I am, you know, as a mom. Yeah, I love her so much.
I also want friend like that. Now, so if that's the case, I'm sure many people knows your, you know, especially people who ride bikes or people who are into events. And say for Jin, it's like people who are into mothership, not mothership. Why am I promoting your lah? Cut and action. Motherhood, motherhood.
Yes.
So of course, you know, people will know you, and for bike raps and things like that. Question is how you all met. Maybe people know you, dia kenal kau kan? Eva aku kenal lah, Eva dah lama aku kenal dia. Aku kenal dia dah bertahun dah dia kenal, right? Oh Jen, 哎呀我认识啦，那个九阳公 everyone will say like that one, right? That's how they, you know. But the question is, I don't think a lot of people know how both of you all met.
Yeah.
They know you all always together, macam super glue like that. But how you all met, that's what a lot of people, maybe they don't know. I also don't know. I know each of you all. Like I know
Individually.
you. Yeah. And I do know that you all two know each other, but never like thought like how you all met,
Yeah.
when you all met.
So it's a very funny
Because you all
story.
so close, you see.
Yeah. So okay lah, your golden question, here's the golden answer. I used to work at Hounds of the Baskervilles. It's actually quite near. So
Hounds of the Baskerville.
yes, barber / tattoo studio. Back then I used to like help, you know, shop assistant and everything. And there was this guy called Rosman. So Rosman is a tattoo artist there as well.
Shout out Abang Rosman.
Wait, this Rosman is it now also in front of the studio? This Rosman.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah, just opened his own tattoo
the-
studio, I
Yes.
think. See, we're promoting him,
Hey Rosman, I'll see you soon, very fast. Yeah, okay. Also,
Yeah.
that's where you were working at.
Yeah, I was working there, and then so Eva was friends with Rosman. So I think she came by one night to have dinner with him or just to meet him. I'm not sure. Yeah, so it was very funny lah, you know. Like I still remember she was sitting on the sofa there, and then she was using her phone, like looking down. Then I think I walked past. I went to talk to Rosman. Then after I was done talking to him, I like look at her. I say, hey, hello. How long? Like a stupid question lah, very stupid question, but hair related. Like, how long you take to bleach your hair? Or like something like, or was it very difficult to bleach your hair? Something stupid lah.
yeah.
There's like a very horrible pickup line lah, you know. I bet maybe in her head she's like, some lesbian or what?
Of all the things you asked me about my hair.
Yeah, but she was so nice. She like looked up at me and smiled. You know, she smiled at me. She was like, oh no. She answered me nicely.
I think she have two also, right?
I don't know, but she looks scary, right? So
Yeah,
I mean, of
like
course,
very
if you,
unapproachable.
of course, if you don't know.
I don't
But
think fierce.
Jane being Jane, I know I look very sweet and nice. But anyway, yeah, I am very like daring. I don't care. I just go and like, hi, you know, I ask stupid questions all the time. I'm very random. So I just went up to her and I just like asked her. And then from there, that's it. We clicked already to today, 7 years later.
Which is 20.
Yeah, that was 2014.
2014.
So ever since then, you're click and you've been hanging out. But of course,
Yeah, there were
after you,
times like
you become mother
yeah,
and
not
things
so
like that.
consistent. But we know that at the end of the day, like our friendship is very
You
tight
ada
lah.
me ada you like that. So since you're earning good last year and then 2021 you are moving forward, trying out new things, going back to things that you used to do.
Yeah.
What do you think like people who kind of lost their jobs last year or even whatever lah, you know? You think 2021 what will they be doing to earn money? Like other things that they're going to do?
I don't know. I feel like, you know, so many people have been retrenched, or they're doing like weird jobs on top of whatever they're doing.
Weird job.
Yeah, for sure. So I met this like Grab driver lady, right? Grab driver lady. She used to be a boss of her own company, curtain company.
Oh, curtain.
Curtain, Taukenyo, okay? It's
Taukenyo.
Taukenyo, right? It's
Taukenyo.
Yeah. So she was earning big money. She was staying in a private
Property.
property, 3-story or something like that. Yeah. So she had everything. She was driving a luxury car, yada yada. So because of COVID, she literally lost everything, you know.
Oh, but what's so jalan?
I don't know. She told me the story, but I can't remember. So, right now she's driving Grab. Okay, she wants to start her own business, but she can't even. But she did mention a mother of two. She did mention about being very active on social media platforms.
This
You know what I
mother how
mean?
old?
She's not very old, maybe like late 30s.
Okay, fair
Oh
enough.
yeah, that's not that old.
Not at all.
Because I was expecting like, tua already care.
No. She's not like no, she's not dying or whatever.
How you did that one?
Which one?
Just now you do, how you do? Okay, well, thank you so much.
No, she's not like that. So she's not super hot. She's just like normal looking. But she kept repeating and saying like, "Hey, I want to go on social media and try to earn money." That's it. So I mentioned, I said, "What are you talking about? What sort of platforms are you talking about?" Then she was like, "I don't know. Nowadays, all these kids, these people, all not hard up for jobs one. You know."
True.
So then I said, how much would you, how far would you stretch to earn your dollar? Then she was like, I don't mind lah, take sexy picture or what lah.
Oh man.
And she mentioned, no, got this thing lah, what OnlyFans I don't know, you guys heard of OnlyFans?
Yes.
Come on, who hasn't heard OnlyFans? You guys haven't heard OnlyFans. Anyways, OnlyFans. So I feel OnlyFans is a big topic to talk about, and a lot of people are getting into it.
Yeah.
Do we have famous Singaporeans doing OnlyFans? Like, I don't know, famous, like maybe they earn big bucks from OnlyFans. Are there Singaporeans?
I've heard of like a couple and yeah.
For sure.
This
Boom,
is,
boom, 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 boom.
it's just
What do they sell?
what do they sell?
Do they?
They sell a keropok lah.
Oh, they put butter, jilat down there.
No, they so it's basically almost nude pictures, sex
Everyone is
videos.
just doing that?
It's this. You see, I don't know how to put the words because it's so disturbing for me, being a mom of two, you know. I do not want my kids. I do not want my daughter growing up being one of the girls there. I do not want my son growing up looking at one of the girls there. It's
Oh,
just.
why not, ma'am?
I do not want him to look at women like a piece of meat kind of thing lah. You know, it's like.
True. But
mean-
that's how you think, right?
Well, it's
Because
just.
last time when I was young, I got caught for watching pornography. No, I wasn't getting caught by this. I wasn't caught playing my water gun. I was caught and my dad just said this. 你要看可以看，18岁以上才看。So you know what I did every day before I sleep? Tomorrow I 18. Tomorrow I 18. Like that. But it took many years later than 18 lah. Yeah, so
But also, I feel like back then, right, like the porn industry is different. You have to go through, I do not know what lah, auditions or whatever lah, you know, to make it there. But now people in the comfort of their own home, taking their bloody pictures, have stupid videos, and then just becoming like homegrown porn stars. Like it's, yeah, exactly. So yeah lah, you know, I just not something that I approve of. It's really something I frown upon. Thinking it's okay to make money that way. Like sorry. No, actually, a lot of offense to you, sorry. Because it's not something I condone. Yeah, I don't think it's...
Suddenly she's like, no lah. Okay,
Yeah, sorry lah. You know, just... be very
Sorry, no,
blunt
sorry
here.
lah.
Yeah, because I went through waiting tables, cleaning toilets, working my ass off for like $5 an hour. I worked the hard way, okay? Back then, there was no such thing as social media to like bare my chest, bare my ass and all that. It's a very different environment now, so I want my children to learn that you need to earn things the right way, the hard way, the morally correct way. So yeah, this is something that I kind of frown upon lah, you know.
OnlyFans. Okay, so with that, I think it's probably a good topic that we can talk about. Maybe topic number 2. What do you think?
Next episode? For
Yep.
sure.
Alright.
Good.
So with that, check out Gorgeous Eva, Gorgeous Jane, and Pong Tate Pong นะครับ and see you guys real soon. Bye bye.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, ride around the city with a stick all black. Try